Good morning to everyone. I am going to guide how to fix cartridge. Just switch on your printer. Then first open this one. This is the small window is there. You just open it. This is the cartridge box will come. Uh, and you just press it from the top of the cartridge. You just press it like this. Yeah, that's it. You have to just press, then it will come. This is a printer of 2676 HP diskjet printer. This cartridge will suitable for 680. This is the black, this is the color. You should, left side should be the color, right side should be the black. You just press it.